everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to activate Woodforest Bank debit card. You can activate your Woodforest Bank in different ways. The easiest way is to make a phone call on the number provided on your debit card and follow through the automated prompts to activate your card. You can also visit the Woodforest Bank website in order to activate your debit card. So we are going to show how we can do it online. Open up a web browser and type in woodforest.com and search. This will take you to the official website for Woodforest National Bank. In order to activate your debit card, you will first need to log into your online banking account. Click on the Login button on the top left-hand corner of the screen. In the Sign-in area, type in your username and password associated with your online banking account. If you don't remember your username or your password, click on Forgot Your Username or Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. Once you type in your credential, click on Login. And after you're logged into your account, look for the option to activate your debit card and follow the instructions provided. And you will be able to activate your Woodforest Bank debit card in just a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.